We are your trusted partner in delivering indoor air quality. PassBox is a cross-contamination safety equipment, also known as a transfer box, or hatch box, used for material transfer between two rooms of a clean room area. At Dyna, we manufacture both static and dynamic pass boxes for specific requirements. The static pass boxes are used to transfer materials between two clean rooms of equal classification, while dynamic pass boxes are used to transfer materials between two clean rooms of different classification. The frame of the pass box is manufactured with stainless steel. Every dynamic pass box is provided with a pre-filter and a HEPA filter to clean air to a standard quality. Every pass box is equipped with a mechanical or electronic door interlock system that prevents opening of both doors at the same time to make sure there is no contamination and pressure loss. A highly efficient and silent AC fan is provided for controlled air movement inside the pass box. UV lamp is also provided for disinfection of the material inside. Blower, LED lamp and UV lamp are controlled with timer, and the cleanup cycle is controlled using a microcontroller. The pass boxes are widely used to transfer materials in and out of clean rooms in different facilities such as laboratories, hospitals, pharmaceutical and other light industrial environments.